Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I got a Apple update. Before I get into Apple update, I want to explain the. It's amazing, this power trigger trade symbol that was created for me by one of my followers. I had made this picture. I took a picture of myself. It's amazing how karma works, and I made this actual pointing action, like to point towards something. And imagine here you have the bull with the arrow pointing up. So isn't that interesting, people? Power trigger trade, right? Again, power trigger trade, meaning of the stock plans, the very powerful plans, people. If you want to follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my Twitter channel. Now, all fun said being done, people, let's talk about the big picture here and the plan. So Apple is set up to test 185 to 190. You heard that right, people. The January 19 175 or 180 calls could be used. All right, so I want to explain these two key numbers. So 173.5 is a support level, and in 176 I will explain that key number. So Apple needs to, I will explain inside the video. So look at it. We want to get above 176. We're in a chop zone between 176 to 173.5 right now, right? So staying above that, very good, right? Going below that a little bit, no big deal. Once we start cracking 176, that's really return zone. So we want this to get above 176 and some good action volume. And if the volume isn't there, we'll watch for basically above 176. But that's an entry point. You can go in, you can enter with these 180 calls as soon as we crack through 176. But the key area is the strength areas between 176 to 177. I wanted to explain that. Other than that, Apple is in a good alignment right now, and is just getting ready. You know, they had the baloney. What's it called? I even said in my last video there could be some game playing. Of course, they had that baloney. What the hell they call it? The the baloney downgrade. So they had that baloney downgrade. But we held. You notice I made an update on my Twitter, and I talked about the 174 support and the 173 support. Well, as you can see, we got the information from the market where Apple did not want to go below 174. So although that is a support zone, so is the 173.5 pivotal zone. All right, so you can see all day Apple trying to go up and down, but they couldn't push it lower. We're stuck in what I call the bullish chop zone, people. And again, right now there's 180 calls. They closed at $152. So what could they confirm at? They could probably confirm at between where we get a good signal between $200 to $220 per option. Could be cheaper, we'll see. But as you can see, there was good trading in both this 175 calls 7.9K and the 180 calls 7.4K. Of course, someone if wants to use the 177.5 calls, you could. You know, I'm going to talk about those. Let's go. Let me show you something. All right, so here we're at the Yahoo, and Apple closed down 188. Still, we made good progress. It's at 174.54. We're setting up nicely. Here's the January 19, 2018 calls. We'll see who's going to be laughing towards the end of the year, people. All right. High odds. And again, look at the, I explained with this 170. Look at the open interest here in the 175s. Now, if you can see here, the problem is there is trading, but the open interest, these are odd, I guess, odd options. But they're trading, well, they're not trading the best of spreads, but if they improve, you could look to get in these. But it doesn't matter. Big picture, 180 calls can make money based on the setup. Okay, so if you want to engage in these, you can wait for confirmation, right? As this chops around, right? And the confirmation is like I explained inside the video. It's really coming through that how we get through the 176 to 177 area really now is the actionary zone, people. It really starts at 176, right? We get some good strength through 176. It's an automatic entry, right? But if you know, you can also watch between how it acts between 176 towards 176.5 to 177. Once we clear that zone, this is on its way to the 185, 190 area, in my humble opinion, people. It's just a matter of that power, right? So we are in the bullish zone, and that 173.5 is a key pivotal point support zone. And again, you look to use either these calls or these calls, the 175 to 180 calls. I'm going to reference in this new plan, I'm going to reference a confirmation for the new calls, 180 calls. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. Also, you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel as I do live streams. I'm going to probably do one tomorrow on Wednesday. Also, I have here a lot of great documented proof, created playlist, powerful detailed plans from start to end. Check out my FedEx plan in here. I updated it yesterday. And the Costco plan. Just amazing, powerful, huge winners, people. All documented stuff. And then NVIDIA did really well. Right, this week, 150% gains one day, people. Check it out, people. Check this video out. NVIDIA. I'll put it inside this YouTube video for you to see the link. This is the Apple update to the one on December 18th. Just because of this pullback, things change, right? I adapt to the market and what I see in the charts. And right now, this is a new update for Apple. And these are the key level zones we are watching. All right, people. So if you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Come here, subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions, and I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Now let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like